So bom MPEX National Cooperation Union of India hong tu te Delhi China mong kala he na hian hong me kan ni okay you just discuss Indian Cooperative Union Tenen Oma Taken Thalai Nulate hey tahian employment self-employment ani ito nung kalsan na po niya hi Delhi Chang anong kalan niya ani hi Delhi Chang anong kalan niya Assistant Director National Cooperative Union of India tiya cooperative hi India Sarkarin angay po mo maya Thalai te Asian nate thì ang chunin Delhi Chang anong kalvang phang bay ni Mizo Thalai te cooperative lampang hi ngai tua helama hin ru le ngai tu na sek tu ben anron campaign ani hi district palian phang to chu Mizo Thalai te tan be sei na pop pasang le ti ten anron soi ni
Assistant Director NCUI and also mentioned Chandan Singh sir आप साथ रहना
हो गया ये लिख दिया सर
Chandan Singh NCUI Assistant Director Chandan Singh
le just kan sei mo le tu la hian US Raghuvanshi Assistant Director National Cooperative Union of India ne kanin kondola Delhi China non kala hian pula u Chandan Singh Assistant Director thong NCUI National Cooperative Union of India kan kala hian electric van zong peksa kan luta hian like cooperative chairman so look in like look on also English tell me cooperative movement
yeah cooperative movement if we see our national cooperative database which is maintained by the Ministry of Cooperation so we can see that approx 1500 cooperative societies are here if we see the overall percentage of participation here actually this state is lacking the participation of people in cooperatives. It's while interacting with the people, while during this our awareness program, this capacity building program, we found that people are very hardworking here. They can do. We have seen the potential. Youth are very interested to understand the cooperative, to join the cooperatives. They not only the youth, women, we have seen that they are already doing good here. The rest of the country, we used to see that our focus used to be to bring youth and women in the cooperative in the mainstream. But here, women are just doing good. So now, little bit concerned about maybe here that youth has to be educated to bring them in cooperative fold. So, yes, there is potential. The state is lacking in cooperatives, but it can do much better. State governments, the councils here should come, should think on it and liaise with the central government and create more education programs, training programs, so that that progress through cooperative, which is one of the motto, that can be achieved. So we wish that more and more people, more young generation will join the cooperative movement for the growth of the people, growth of the society, and development of the state of Mizoram. Thank you.
Le kunaro soitang kan cooperative movement again thalai te tap pung sat kenen hong India sarkar po cooperative movement kan hian te pani employment kan ti kan generate nan te from kaya nipa abigin ni chiat ka te ko ni kung takin ร่วมหันหน้าออกมานี่ช่วงนี้มิโซทลายที่ point cooperative movement ลำพังที่รำบอกเราเสร็จแล้วมิโซมีปุ๋ยตะเชิงอันทบดึงอันฮาร์ดเวิร์กเป็นมินฝักกันช่วงนี้กันข้อมูลองเจ้าที่เกี่ยวข้องนี่ที่อาศัยนี่ก็เลย take him
I must want to add that we have visited some of the cooperative societies here. We have organized the programs. This was a series of programs we have conducted at 4 district headquarters. But participation was good from other districts too. And while visiting the cooperative societies, we observed that yes, the cooperatives are doing good. It's not that cooperatives are formed and they are just on paper. They are doing good. So similar model can be implemented in other parts of the district, and they can do much better. So that's great. And even though we have requested the other people who are not associated with the cooperative so far to visit these cooperative societies so that they can understand better about the functioning, about the establishment of cooperative system.
khi cái liềm thôn ta này cooperative how to te chef Johnny